take a look at your materials. There's not a lot of instructions here. It's a lot of problem solving.
Over the weekend when most kids are home relaxing, these middle school girls were learning hands-on about science, technology, engineering, and math.
So women are underrepresented in STEM careers, and we feel like if they get exposure to it early, they'll be able to then pursue a STEM career by taking the right classes in high school and then going after a degree that's a STEM degree, because we really need women in the workforce in STEM careers.
At the one-day workshop on Saturday at USCB's Beaufort campus, the students had the opportunity to attend several courses that helped explore different types of STEM careers.
I'm teaching a lab on biotechnology where the girls learn about isolating DNA and the ways that we can use DNA to answer questions. And then pull your micropipette. Look, you have loaded the well.
So we're doing computer science and IT in this room, and hopefully they're going to learn a little bit about coding and a little bit about what computer science is, and maybe spark an interest in a career in that field.
It's about bioengineering, and I hope they realize that it is a major that they would consider. And I gave them an example of a former student that is actually going for his PhD in bioengineering, and he's developing a robotic arm. So we talked about that. They were able to design the robotic arm, and now we're making a prototype.
More than 80 middle schoolers took part in the workshop, focusing on their future in STEM.
I came here because I'm really into science and different types of chemistry and biology, so I thought it would be a really good opportunity for me so I can experience different types of careers I may want to in my future.
I believe that engineering is a big part of our future, and I feel like a lot more women should get involved in it.
And you calculate the pressure on that wall.
I've had the idea of being either anesthesiologist, a cardiovascular surgeon, or a neurosurgeon because I like the idea of it's like a puzzle. You figure it out and you help other people.
This is the second year the workshop has been offered to the students through a partnership with the Beaufort County School District, USCB, and the American Association of University Women. At USCB, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Is your liquid gone? Did it go back in? Excellent.